What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can make money using Fiverr.com and Facebook groups. If you don't know who I am, my name is Denzel. I'm a digital entrepreneur and I show people how to make money using simple methods online. Okay, so I'll tell you more about myself, but let's get into the video. So basically, Fiverr.com is a website where freelancers and people that have skills can go sign up there and they can start using their expertise and do work for people. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna outsource our work to people on Fiverr.com, and we're gonna look for the best guys but at the cheapest rates. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Facebook.com. Okay, so if you're already part of a group, which basically you have to decide what niche you're in. So if you're doing logos or websites, whatever you're doing, you can just go over to Fiverr.com, look for the group that you want to post an ad in. Okay, and in that way, when people come back to you and say, I need a logo, I need a website or any of those things, then you can head over to Fiverr.com and you can find someone to do it for you. This means that you have more that you have more time to do something else. Okay, so we're basically going to outsource this. So let's head over to Fiverr.com. This is Fiverr.com. As you can see, we're going to type in here, we type what we want. If we're going to type in web design, if we're going to type web design, okay, let's just say web design, WordPress, whatever it is, but today we're going to type in logo design. The simplest thing, we're going to type logo design, we're going to wait for it to load, and then we're going to look for, as you can see, we don't want to spend over $1,000 on a logo, or over, some of them we would see here 6,000, 2,000. These are the guys that's on the next level of design. Not to say that the ones that are cheaper are not on the next level, but some are so crazy that they feel that we have to charge an insane amount for logos. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, guys, let me show you this. This is the best part. Okay, we're gonna go to budget. Obviously we want to make a profit from this, so if we're gonna charge our client 150 rand or 300 rand, then we're gonna use this strategy. Okay, we're gonna type in here by budget $100. We're gonna get the cheapest rates when it loads. So let's just wait for it. Now it loads up, as you can see here. Let's just wait for it, it will take some time. Okay, so now as you can see here, guys, we have 76 rand for all these different designers. And what we want to do is we want to see who's online. So here where it says online sellers, we're going to click that, and then boom, there we have it. We're going to see people that are online right now that you can chat to live right now. So I'm going to show you how the live chat works. Now that's if we do find a few that's okay. So we do have a few people that's online, and as you can see here, it says I will design a creative and modern logo, blah blah blah. So now we're gonna go to this dude here. It says I'll do a professional marketing logo for you, logo design, business logo design. Now we're gonna click in here. Okay, click in there, and I'm gonna show you, we're gonna have a live chat right now. Now we want to see how fast this guy's response rate is. Okay, so before we get a quote, we're gonna in here we're gonna say contact me. Let's see if we can get him online right now. Now it says your average response is within an hour, so we might not get a response back immediately. So over here we're gonna say hey there. Okay, so hey there, I need a logo. Okay, so as you can see, I'm basically typing to the dude now. Now let's just hope that he will get back to us immediately. If not, you can come back later, check the messages and see if this guy is going to assist you immediately. Then you can tell him what you want, what you need. Okay, and then eventually you will be so excited knowing that you finally outsourced some of your work to somebody on Fiverr.com, and that's how you're going to basically be making your money in 2020. Okay, so let's just wait. I'm just kidding, that's not how you wait. Let's just okay. Okay, he's not responding as yet, so let's try someone else. Let's try, oh, boom, and there it is, guys. He's about to send us a message right now, and we're gonna have a chat right now with someone on Fiverr that will tell us, yeah man, I can make a logo for you right now. He probably sounds like that, you never know. He says, hey, hope you are fine, thank you for your message. Now we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna see what he's gonna say. Okay, this is the most exciting part, because you're about to outsource your work to somebody on Fiverr, and then you can relax on the beach and start saying, yeah, I got lots of people working on Fiverr for me. I got lots of clients coming in from Facebook. I just type on Facebook all the time. You need a logo? You need a website? Yeah. And then I start thinking, the ka-ching go into my bank. Okay, it's not that simple. It's not just you're gonna lay on the beach. No, you're gonna have to work hard, guys. So he says, yes, please tell me about your company name and slogan, if any. Okay, so basically, guys, I'm not gonna say anything back to this guy. I'll probably get back to him later, but let's go back again. Okay, let's go back. Let's see if we can see some of his work. As you can see here, you find some of the people that saying, these are testimonials, okay? People that have rated him 5 stars, you know, different things. It says here, great logo designs and quick to respond to any revision, okay? Requests, looking forward to working with, okay, that's his name. I can't really pronounce it, sorry about it, guys. But as you can see, it's this line over here again, okay? So now I want to see if we can see some of his work. Okay, let's just go in there again. I just hope I still remember his name. So let's click into his work and we're gonna check it out. So guys, let's just hope that he has already lots of oh yeah, sorry, this over here that you're looking at right now, this is his work. Okay, so when you come to Fiverr.com, you'll be clicking the link in the description and you can follow that link. You can find somebody on Fiverr.com, so just click the link in the description and it will take you to Fiverr.com, and you can get anybody that you want. Obviously you want to make more money, so I would recommend that you go for someone that's not too expensive, but remember, check out their work, make sure that it's professionally done. And as you can see, this is his logos. He has made different designs, and that's how we basically make money in 2020 with Fiverr.com and Facebook groups. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again, and all you gotta do right now is click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get more of that. You see what happens when you're behind the camera? So click that icon button so that you can get more updates instantly. When I post a new video, you will have it into your inbox. Okay, so let me say this again, guys. Just follow this strategy and you will be happy. In 2020, you could make so much money. This is your year to make it work. Outsource your work to someone on Fiverr.com and you will be a smart entrepreneur. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget, subscribe and enjoy. Also guys, like this video because I love you people, because you are brand new to my channel and I want to help you achieve more in life. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Am I gone yet? Okay, see you guys. Enjoy.